What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a Stinger 0 gauge 4000 series amp kit. It's got 18 feet of power wire, 3 feet of ground wire. It's OFC copper. It's a pretty nice kit. Does not come with an RCA wire. So I got this one here to show y'all. You probably gonna get a long one. Stinger. It's twisted. OFC copper. Really nice RCA plugs. Buy the matching RCA plugs to go with it. So it's 0 gauge, AWG, everything you want in here. Packaged really nice. It's got a 250 amp. And if you're trying to push 5,000 watts, 6,000 watts, you need some 0 gauge. This is a really great kit. Costs about $130, $120. Comes with some remote wire. Got some screws in here to screw this down. Got a little, I guess, a garment thing. You drill a hole, need to put it through your firewall. It's got that. It's got everything you need, man. 0 gauge, OFC copper, Stinger kit. Look at that. Look at that. All right, y'all. Like, subscribe. See ya.